Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. This video is all about the simplest way to make a Coleus plant bushy. Coleus is one of the easiest plants to grow from the cuttings and they grow well without taking much care. For example, here you can see I planted few cuttings and after some months I got result something like this. In most cases they grow well, but sometimes things goes wrong. So let me show you what you need to do to make your plant much more bushier. Here is one of my Coleus plant which is looking really very bushy and it was not bushy before. I did few very simple things to make it much more bushier, but unfortunately I did not record anything. So let me take one of my other plant which is not bushy yet and let me show you how I am going to transform the plant in front of you. This is the other Coleus plant and you can see there is huge difference between these two plants. So what I am going to do is I am going to take few cuttings from the same plant and going to plant them in the same pot. This is the exact thing I did with my other plant and that's why you can see it's absolutely bushy and you are unable to see the pot. I can also understand that many people are scared of pruning their plant, but please trust me, you don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry whether you have green thumb or not. Anybody would be able to do it. As I have already said, you Coleus is really very easy plants to grow from the cuttings. There are two other important things which I am going to discuss very soon, but before that, let's plant few cuttings. Alright, planting is done and it's time to water. Next thing is really very important. Please don't keep the pot under direct sunlight before you see any new growths on your plant. You should keep the pot only in bright area and this is the same thing I am going to do. So guys, this is the result after 1 month and here you can see my plant is looking much fuller comparing to before. I can see that all the cuttings are growing successfully and here you can see it was a very small cutting, but even though it's still growing well. Here I can see flowers as well and after some days it's going to look much more fuller. I did everything in December and this is the month of January, and if I had done all the things either in the spring or summer, you would have seen a much bushier plant. Anyway, it's still looking great and you may be also wondering like what is the best time to grow Coleus from cuttings. I would say that we can do it at any time. I do it whenever I feel to do it, but please note spring and summer is always the best time to grow anything from cuttings. Alright, let's talk about two important things so that your plants grow much faster. First one is light requirements. In one of my videos about Coleus, I said that whenever we provide direct sunlight to our Coleus plants, we can see much colorful leaves. That's absolutely correct, but that time I forgot to inform you one very important thing. See, not all varieties of Coleus can handle the direct sunlight, and if you see any kind of leaf burning issue, that time please keep your plant only in bright area. In winter time, 1 hour or 2 hours of direct sunlight should not harm your plant, but again please be careful, and if you spot any leaf burning issue, that time keep your plant in bright area. On second, to grow your plant much faster, you need to fertilize them on regular basis, and if you do it once in 25 to 30 days, that is more than enough. Coleus respond really very well to NPK 19-19-19, and for that you can take half teaspoon, mix it in 1 liter water and then directly apply on the soil. If you do this, your plant is going to grow really very fast. So guys, I hope whatever I have shown here, it was simple enough and you would be able to do it very easily. I also hope that you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening a bit. Thank you very much for watching the video. I truly appreciate it, and if you haven't watched the video about my terrace garden overview, please do it very soon because it's blooming really very well. Thank you once again. Have a great time and enjoy.